Sultan, ushada waabay Sultan, weertada yeelay weliba fuliyo nafseeday waayo farxadda sugaysay Sultanka waabinayay nacabki ku wiirsanayay Sultan waa.
It is one of the fastest growing African cities. I can almost guarantee you that in the next few years, Mogadishu might be the biggest city in Africa, giving competition to Nairobi, Johannesburg, and Lagos. It will be in the league of Dubai and other fast-rising cities in the east. The pace at which the rebuilding of Somalia is happening is mind-boggling. Can you tell that a few years ago, these nice, beautiful skyscrapers did not even